Hello everyone and welcome to Space Engineers. This is my survival world, as you can see, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of a playthrough here because I've sort of skipped landing and getting the base going. Boom! Obviously I did build all this in survival. It's not completed yet, but this is all we have. That's been shot at by something. I have quite a few mods on this world, but they're all sort of NPC based. So we've got a lot of enemies wandering around, and that's very fun. So I've had some combat already. There are a few things that have happened. But I just wanted to get a base going so that I can just, you know, get to the fun part of the game. So I'll give you a little bit of a tour. This is the outpost. It's not finished yet. It's going to be a refueling outpost. These were all hydrogen tanks, but something has shot it. Shot them out. We've got a refinery with full, I believe, yield modules on. Assembler with speed modules. Then we've got a load of cargo containers. This is my grind pit, which I finished building not too long ago. And then this is the... I actually didn't build this. This is a scrapper that I stole from a supply drop. I got this mod which, instead of having those little dinky beacon things where you get items from, you get these big boxes that come with things like this. Obviously you have to fight for them, you don't just get them for free. But I did manage to capture this in pretty good shape, and I decided to use it as like the tug to drop stuff in. I captured a couple of just normal cargo ships. As you can see, there's bits and bobs of them lying everywhere, and I've just been dropping them, grinding them up. Got my big solar array going on here, and this is my sort of defense tower with two Bofor turrets, and that's just a modified Gatling turret, but it's called the point defense cannon. It fires the same ammo as the Gatling turret, but it fires quicker, and it looks a lot better. This runs off one battery, which I think is going to die soon. 6 days. The sun's coming over. Let me turn on the hood. As you can see, we've got quite a few things going on. Those are the packages. Transport courier, I tried to hit that, but sort of failed. Arrowhead. There's a couple of down. Basically, what happens when you attack a ship and you damage it, it doesn't despawn. So there's actually a huge ship. You can see it right there. You see that? That thing. That big lump there. That is an enormous. It looks like a big ship. It's called Fort Victoria, and it's massive. And I tried to take it down right at the start with just my gun, and it didn't really work. But it sort of touched down over there because it has parachute deploy system, so it eventually ran out of hydrogen, obviously, and it's dropped. Parachutes have been deployed, and it's just sort of sat there. So one day we will go and get it. Right, ships. These are the modded batteries, by the way. Smaller batteries, but the charge adjusts, so they're not overpowered. That's my scrapper. This was my. This is the ship I spawned in. The Little Bird, I believe it's called. I've got the respawn ship mod, so yeah, that's the ship I actually spawned in. So yeah, that's. I kept it because it's useful, good fighter. And then this is my mining ship, which is not very good, but does the trick. Yeah, this is the base. It's pretty simple. It's nothing major. I went a bit over the top with the lighting there, but yeah, these arrowheads are a pain in the arse. They're everywhere. They're like these fighters with turrets. They're just so annoying. So what we're going to do today is we're going to build the gunboat. I mean a gunboat. Something, I need like a corvette. or something. Basically, there was this big cargo ship that I tried to hit, and I took it down, but they called in reinforcements, and it's been swarmed by those arrowheads. It's about 12 kilometers away. It's still armed, the guns still work, and I need a bit of a bigger ship. If I take my fighter in, it's just going to get shredded. So I need like a corvette or a gunship or something. So I was thinking I might use, is it Dr. Kraz's gunboat out of Colony Wars, because that's quite a good ship. And it's ideal. I do have the battle cannons mod, so I can do that. As you can see, this thing's quite nippy. I might take this to, when we I haven't been to space yet, but when we do go to space, I might take this with me. I'm planning on building a frigate, using the production facilities here. We'll build a frigate and we'll just go straight up. I'm not sure if I want to do it by building a, oh, I'm going to waste 200 and... I'm going to waste 120 power cells if I grind that battery down, but I think I have an idea to negate that sort of downside. So we'll close the doors. Wait till we hear that bang. Or thud. I don't know what to call it. There we go. I might use that battery to power this. I'm not entirely sure how I would do that, but I have an idea. If we get a merge block, because it'd be such a shame to waste that. Steel plates, construction components, computers, large steel tubes, small steel tubes. Sorry about that, my sister invading the room. Something's just spawned in. Oh shit, I got my fingers on the wrong keys. Right. What is it? MILT. That thing looks enormous. Let's have a little gander. Where is it? Oh my. Are those things landing gears, or are they like cannons? I don't think it's getting any closer, and I don't think I can hit it, so yeah, that ain't happening. Has that arrowhead actually landed? I think it has. I think it's actually ran out of fuel is what's happened there. Alright, yeah, what was it doing? Everything's very grey. I might try and brighten things up. Whoop. I'll just leave 14 on me. Oh shit, better get those things back or I'm gonna drop. Is going on. Right, that's what we need. Yeah, it's good stuff. We need that. We need a bit of that. We need some of that. We need a bit of that. Some of them. Should be enough. Oh wow, I didn't forget anything. Okay, so the plan is we put a merge block onto this bad boy. Looks like... Oh. How the hell did you get that? How did you get... How did things get outside of the pit? What? How did it get out of the pit? That is a complete mystery to me.
People can help.
Whatever.